Toastmaster Girish Kelkar. Contestant number 4, Toastmaster Girish Kelkar. Title of his speech, Consultant. Consultant, Toastmaster Girish Kelkar.
All of you must have come across some kind of consultant at some point of time. Like a tax consultant, a consulting surgeon, a consulting physician. But have you ever come across a suicide consultant? Yes. If the answer is no, then you have a chance to meet one today. Contest chair, honorable guests, fellow Toastmasters, ladies and gentlemen, a warm good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
I was in India for 50 days this year and my visa application was rejected. The moment my wife heard this, she promptly dismissed our housemate. She told me, anyway, you have time now. So, along with daily household chores, I started reading a lot of newspapers. I was jobless. What to do? Along with corruption, murder, robbery, thievery, successful and unsuccessful suicide bids used to be the prominent news. Successful bid is understandable. But what is an unsuccessful suicide? Such a simple job made so difficult. The engineer in me woke up. I had some time. What to do? I started doing root cause analysis of the problem. After a thorough and scientific research, I came to the conclusion that the basic and prime reason behind an unsuccessful suicide is nothing but lack of proper training, lack of proper awareness, and lack of either a coach or lack of coaching classes. So shameful. In a country where parents admit their children in advance even before they are born to coaching classes, there is not a single class for people who want to die. Anyway, I was free. I decided to work upon this. I saw an opportunity over there. See, whatever is rampant and common has a market these days. And as I found out, unsuccessful suicide bids are rampant and common. So I worked upon it. I decided to become a consultant. India is full of despots, wife-affected persons, husband-affected ladies, heartbroken people. They are available aplenty. What you need to do is encourage them, educate them, bring them in the channel, of course, at a cost. Hence, I started developing this idea. Educate them, show gratitude, commend, recommend, comment. These words started ringing in my ears. I believe that maiden attempt at a suicide is nothing but an icebreaker. The Toastmaster in me woke up. I immediately thought I should take up this challenge. I started looking for potential venues where I can find my customers. In every city, there are some suicide points where people normally commit suicides. I used to frequent these places. I used to go to parks. I used to go to beaches where people are sitting. I used to roam around the couples who are fighting just like hawkers, roaming around children. I used to look for forlorn, destitute, dissolute, desperate looking persons. After a lot of struggle, finally, I got a customer. It was a couple. They wanted to get married, but their families were opposing. Again, I told the boy, he was a young man, the couple was young. I told the boy, just do it, man, don't worry, give your icebreaker. I encouraged him. I gave him 3 options. I had 3 choices. First choice was jump to heaven. Second choice was go to the seabed naturally. And the third choice was enjoy the train ride between the rails and wheels. So he chose the option jump to heaven. Fine. I told him, just go and do it. Give your icebreaker. I will evaluate your speech properly. And later on, after your icebreaker attempt, I will narrate the whole evaluation to your lady-love so that she can have the advantage of this evaluation and she can perform better than you. But somehow my visa arrived and my wife got wind of this whole business. She promptly dispatched me to Kingdom. But dear Toastmasters, even though I am here, even though the venue has changed, I am still there. If any one of you is interested, my services are available. If you are afraid of your wife, if the wife is nagging, if the husband is nagging, if the VP education is pushing you to complete your projects, please avail my services. You all know me. All of you know me. I will give concession to club members and sister clubs. Even I am ready to extend my cooperation to area level. Over.
Let us observe 1 minute silence for judges to mark their ballots.